From KDVR.com, woman convicted for falsely accusing man of kidnapping and raping her. Greeley, Colorado. A Weld County woman was convicted of 3 felonies Thursday for falsely accusing a young man of kidnapping and raping her. Catherine Elizabeth Bennett, 21, claimed a male acquaintance took her from a Safeway store parking lot in Windsor on November 24, 2013, and subsequently raped her. But her story, which changed several times, was later proven false, prosecutors said. Over the course of the investigation, Bennett deleted text messages proving that her initial report was false and carried on with a fabricated story, police said. Quote, because of her initial report, a Windsor man was arrested for investigation of serious felonies that caused him to lose his job and damaged his reputation in the community. Prosecutors said in a media release, quote, he was not charged, but the hardships due to his arrest and the publicized allegations continued for this young man, who testified that he nearly lost his military career as well because of the false allegations from a woman he considered to be a friend. Bennett will be sentenced on October 24th. She faces up to 9 years in prison.
9 years, huh, for false allegations? Well, I mean, she ruined a guy's life, and this happens all the time with these false allegations. Absolutely. And the funding from the IMF through special drawing rights is allowed under the rules of feminism to let these women get away with it time and again.
Was, until they lost their funding. And now the women can't get away with it. These psychopathic females, you know, it's not profitable for a corporation any longer for the female to falsely accuse the male. Everything's based on evidence and under the public law. It's more profitable to hold people accountable under the public law.
Yeah, well, that's the name of the game. We offered a better business model because, you know, I mean, let's face it, this United States Incorporated, it's just all business when you cut through all the evil and
Absolutely.
Corruption and human trafficking and genocide behind it. You know, it's just business, so we had to come in there and facilitate the better business model to get things turned around.
Absolutely. And see, what was beautiful to see is that normally in a rape case like